All right, friends, let's start our today's presentation. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. In today's presentation, we're going to cover detailed strategies for successful business network. Throughout the country, various organizations host networking groups on a basis. Among these groups, BNI stands out as one of the largest, offering meetings and opportunities for members to connect with business contacts to help their businesses thrive. Additionally, some business chambers have started forming leads groups for their members. These groups aim to foster interactions among members and potentially refer business opportunities to each other. To maintain diversity and avoid competition within these groups, typically one representative from each industry is allowed to join. This ensures an environment where members can collaborate without conflicts of interest. In networking events organized by these groups, the agenda is straightforward. Participants take turns introducing themselves, followed by presentations from one or two members in each meeting. The discussions usually evolve around referrals among the members. Despite excelling in presenting themselves, many individuals often overlook the importance of seeking recommendations from others. It's not practice to ask for a referral or explain what constitutes a referral at networking events. However, it is expected in a leadership group. I follow this structure for my elevator pitch, which includes an introduction. I'm actively involved in networking organizations. My goal during my elevator pitch to a lead group is to educate everyone about my company and services as guide them on how they can refer others to me. Additionally, I want to emphasize that I genuinely seek referrals. These are the points I will delve deeper into each section of the outline on. Introduction, name, position plus company name, company location, overview of services. Share a story. Make a request. It's important not to alter the part of your presentation. For instance, you could start with, I am Joe Smith at ABC Mortgages in any one town, USA. I serve as a mortgage broker offering an array of mortgage programs for both commercial and residential properties. If you aim for brevity and clarity, you can include some details. You can make an impression during every meeting by sharing a story. Your narrative could include an aspect of your product or service, a client success story, or an exciting update about your business. To be prepared for each interaction, consider jotting down your stories in advance. This way, you can help others in the group get to know you at each meeting. It's important to set aside some time each week to provide guidance to your team. One key element that people often overlook but is essential is the call to action. It's crucial to communicate the type of referrals you're seeking from other group members. For example, Joe Smith, a mortgage broker, might say, I am looking for referrals to realtors at XYZ real estate company today. He might specify that anyone who bought their home over 10 years ago would be a referral for him. Being as detailed as possible in your call to action is always recommended. It might prove challenging for the rest of the group to provide referrals if Joe stands up and mentions that someone looking for a mortgage would be a fit. If Joe specifically requests an introduction to an employee, another group member who knows someone at the company might assist him in making that connection. Making a request could jog someone's memory within the group more effectively. So here is my question. Are you ready to turn your business dreams into reality? Our comprehensive course, step-by-step guide to starting your own business is designed to help you navigate the journey with confidence. Whether you are just brainstorming ideas or ready to launch, this guide provides practical insights and actionable steps for every stage of your entrepreneurial journey. So folks, visit our website to learn more and start your adventure today. Your future business is just a click away. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Your support helps us bring more valuable insights to you promptly. Thank you for being part of our community.